Hey, Ade no Yagi. Ado di Navajo 1, lesson 11. Well, yeah. And that's lesson 11. Hajine, Navajo creation story. Ado di Onash chunk, right? This is a little depiction of what it might have looked like. Or as black world, blue world, yellow world, and white world, which is present day. And in that present day, there's sacred mountains to the east, south, west, and north. Okay, and the heavens, and so there's a lot of stories related to it. Hajines, people coming up to the fourth world. All right, so this right here, where it says string game, it's no longer string game. It's Navajo creation story. And here you can listen to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you listen to all 5 videos, the man will talk about first world, second world, third world. So this is basically background information for you. And then the first activity we'll do is the idea of going through and saying something about each of the worlds, okay? So right here, number 1, knit. Knit means ground, on the ground. There's some foundation of some core, somewhat. So it's on something. Okay. So knit. What this means just black. Okay. Black world. So it comes out to be black world. Else means first. So this would be else. It's supposed to be a slideshow. Else means first. Hazli means it came about, was made, or was formed. And then the next sentence says Else. Okay, we got 2 Else. Else is first form, and Alsastin is first man and woman. So we could say Alsastin, Alsastan. But here we just say Alsastin do asa. The and makes it so that both of them have Alsa. Ashto means also Alia. They were also formed. Not just the black world was formed, but also the first man, first woman. Ado Kon. In that world, they lived there for so many years, or so many, however long. But there was a quarrel, and then fire, Vinina. For that reason, Nehodot is Jin. Now we go into blue. Nehodot is Jin. Up to the first world. Ha'azna. Group of them got together. These are just animals, like first man, first woman, and the animals, or Josh, which is like insects. They went up to the next world, which is the blue world. Notice the word net is still used here, and then net is blue world. Ground is blue. Ha'azna. Ha'azna means they came up to that place as a group. All right. Ade, at that place. Ade. City. Dadot Ijgi Ilte. City birds. Dadot Ijgi. Ones that were blue. So that would be like bluebird, all kinds of bluebirds. And Dolly is one of those bluebirds. And then Bailte. Bailte means they came to those people. So there were already people living there. So from the black world, people from there, they came to the blue world. Okay? Ado means and also Niyol. Niyol means when. Bininam, for that reason, Nehal Sajat Asna. That's the reason why they went to this yellow world. Halso, Nehalso Asna. So Niyol is destroyer, destroy the blue world. So fire, the first world, blue world, wind. Now they're in the blue world. I mean, in the yellow world. At that place, Anasaze. Anasaze is an ancient Pueblo group named by the Navajos as Ana means enemy. Saze means relatives. So there was a joining, and even though the enemy name was still used, it was also they learned from each other, and so they became like ancestors. They all joined together. They came together. The people from the blue world came to the yellow world people, and there's already lots of people living there. Bigger animals, and we'll talk about this in class. Ado to inina, the water. For that reason, for that reason, you came up to the white world. It was the water destroyed the the yellow world. Okay, and we'll leave this out. This part out. We don't need to. Okay, so that will go up to that far, and then we've got we'll repeat the we'll see it this way. We'll kind of in class we'll view it this way. Okay. So here's the statements, and over here will be the questions. You'll see it. Okay. Thank you.